Hi everyone, my name is Alexa, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all the details about Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. So let's go and get into it. So this is the new Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. This is a universal moisturizer for all skin types, but more specifically for dull and dry skin. I am in my 30s, I'm dealing with more dryness than normal, and I absolutely love this moisturizer for daily use to help combat a lot of that dryness. Coming into my 30s, my skin has been more dry, but since using this moisturizer, I can tell that my skin is a lot more balanced. It just feels nicer, and you know your skin the best, and you can tell when it's happy and when it's not happy, and I can just tell a huge difference since using this moisturizer. My skin just feels good. It doesn't feel tight, it doesn't feel oily, it feels balanced, and not only that, but it also just has this glow about it, this visible brightness to it. Nothing oily, nothing greasy. It just makes my skin look healthy and happy, and it's got a little bounce to it too. This moisturizer is packed with so many incredible ingredients. It has 8 amino acids, 8 powerful peptides, 3 ceramides, collagen, and one of my all-time favorite ingredients, which is hyaluronic acid, which helps to retain moisture. And our moisture barrier is so incredibly important because your skin barrier is your first line of defense against pollution, the sun, just anything around you in your environment. You definitely want to make sure that you take care of your skin barrier, and this is going to help promote a healthy one. So not only is this product beautiful on the skin, but it's also just a beautiful product to use. It's a whole experience. The smell is amazing. It has this very light citrus scent that immediately absorbs into the skin, and it has this bouncy gel texture. I love doing my daily skincare routine because it's such a fun, just all around relaxing experience. So along with the Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer, my skincare routine would not be complete without the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum and the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I incorporate both of these into my skincare routine, and I feel like all of these products together just creates the perfect, well-rounded skincare routine for me. So the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum has 15% vitamin C, 5% PHAs and hyaluronic acid, and a banana powder inspired pigment. As you can see in the color, it's got this really beautiful banana yellow color to brighten and firm the skin. I love using this underneath my moisturizer. I use it every single day. Vitamin C is so incredibly important for your skin. It helps to brighten and firm the skin, and who doesn't love that? Now, the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream has been a favorite of mine for years, and they actually just reformulated it, and I feel like it's even better, if that could even be possible. This is such an amazing daily eye cream, and one of my favorite parts about this eye cream is the gorgeous yellow banana color. It just gives a hint of color to the under eye area, which helps to brighten and just really illuminate that area. So if you're dealing with dark circles but you don't want to wear makeup or deal with concealer, this is such an amazing kind of double duty product. So this eye cream has a potent triple vitamin C complex with actual real gold that improves the delivery of the vitamin C, which is amazing for those of you who are parents like myself who maybe don't get a lot of sleep with the kiddos. This is just an everyday staple, and I have to have it in my daily skincare routine, especially in the mornings. Be sure to check out the links down below to shop the new Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer at Sephora.com. You can also pick it up today at your local Sephora in stores, and of course you can always shop Ole Henriksen products on the Ole Henriksen website. All links will be listed down below, and you can purchase all of these amazing, beautiful products. You will not be disappointed. These are everyday staples for me in my skincare routine, and I know you will love them just as much as I do. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.